Supreme Court Army Matter. Namaskar. Today our speaker is Jayprakash Somani, advocate from Supreme Court of India (NIP). He published more than 50 books on Supreme Court case law. So, I am presenting you Jayprakash Somani.
Let's see Supreme Court Army Matters. How Army Matters come into Supreme Court. Friends, there is the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007, and as per this AFT Act, Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007, in that act 43 sections are there, chapters 6 are there, and after AFT, Armed Forces Tribunal, a trial court of army matters is a martial law courts, and after martial law courts, appeal will come to AFT, and after AFT, sometimes direct AFT matter are there. Direct sometime some dispute you can find in AFT directly, and after AFT, direct Supreme Court is there. High Court don't have the jurisdiction here. So, as per section 30, 31 and 32 of AFT Act, these matters are coming into Supreme Court. So, when there is any action on the personnel of the army, and when that aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of the AFT, that time these cases are coming to the directly Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is the right appeal here. So original suppose hearing is there. So first appeal, second appeal, two appeal are allowed in our country in any matter. And subsequent that time when question of laws are there, when constitution question laws are there, that time that matter can be entertained. So friends, what is section 30 and 31? So as per section 31, leave to appeal application should be filed to the AFT tribunal. First AFT tribunal file the application leave to appeal. AFT tribunal will give you the leave to appeal to Supreme Court, or they will reject it to go to the Supreme Court. Whether they give the positive order or whether they reject your leave to appeal, whatever order is there, against that order you can file from the date of that order within 30 days your appeal in Supreme Court. This is a statutory appeal in Supreme Court. SLP cannot be filed against AFT order. This is clear cut given in the Article 136 of Constitution of India, because special leave petition in Supreme Court are governed as per the Article 136 of the Constitution of India, but except army matter is clear cut mentioned there. So army matter are not covered in SLP, army matter are coming to Supreme Court direct as a statutory appeal as per section 30, 31 and 30. So 32 is related to the condonation of delay, but main 31 is there. But before coming to Supreme Court, you should have a certificate of the tribunal leave to appeal, whether they are giving a positive consent to leave to appeal or whether they are rejecting that. Whatever, positive or negative, any order you can attach to your appeal there and you can file there. And then regular proper drafting should be there, proper attention should be there, then proper annexure should be there, proper highlighted points should be there, and after filing, then defect clearing process will be there. After defect clearing, then admission hearing will be there. On that admission, even it is a statutory appeal, but Supreme Court have the liberty whether to admit or not to admit that matter. So admission hearing is very important. On that hearing, when matter is admitted, then notice will be issued. And after notice issued, then after notice, after counter affidavit of the opposite party, then after notice hearing will be there, then subsequent some hearing will be there, and then final argument, then final adjudication will be done from our apex court. So these are type of matters, army matters are handled in the Supreme Court. So friends, but remember that drafting your should be argument should be good. So search out good lawyer. All lawyers in Supreme Court are good, but be aware from tort. Sometimes tort are showing you very cheap amount and they will grab your money gradually. So be aware from the tort. Search out good lawyer who will look after your benefit, who will look after your relief, who will give you proper relief, who is speaking about your proper relief only. So that lawyer will be a good lawyer. So all lawyers are good lawyer. So be aware just from torts. Thank you very much today. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.